There was a Jamaican man by the name of Marcus Garvey that traveled to America in the 1920s, and he formed a ship line called the Black Star Line. Marcus Garvey in the 1920s was part of what was known as the Harlem Renaissance. This is 40 years before the 60s movement. But the problem was FBI sabotaged the Black Star Line, causing it to basically go out of business and, you know, financial meltdown.
So what that story have to do with me?
I don't know, I figure I'll tell you a bedtime story before you go to bed or something. You know, so you don't have no nightmares.
I have to tell him a secret now.
Yeah.
Missing dead people.
Dead people like zombie dead? Dead people like in the ground dead? Dead people like walking around? How often you see them?
I see them all the time. This one time I was eating some banana chips. And one of them dead man them come up to me. And him did ask for some banana chips. And I told him he couldn't have any. Because in America, banana chips is hard to find. They usually have like plantain chips in every gas station, but never banana chips, so I didn't want to share. Then he tried to reach for the banana chips. He just reached. And his hand passed through mine.
You ever thought to tell your mother this?
No, I don't tell my mommy this. When I try to talk to my mommy, all my mommy does is say, "It's your fault why we don't have a man. It's your fault why we don't have a man." And then she flings the beer buckle after me.
Do you believe it's your fault why you don't have a dad?
I believe her because I went into her closet one day and I saw this tape. It was Mark Murray. And then when I pressed play, I saw my mommy. And there was this old white guy with a piece of paper in his hand. And then he said, "Donovan, you are not the daddy. Marvin, you are not the daddy. Tyrone, you are not the daddy." It's about 5 more months you run through.
I hate to break this news to you, but ghosts don't exist.
Of course, ghosts exist. I'm thinking even didn't do a reggae sound splash show too. You don't know the song? I love you and I wish you. Hoping that you love me too. Lady walked down the street and said, "Why am I suffering?" She said, "Da do. Diamonds on the sole of our shoes." You don't know that artist.
I'm afraid you're losing your mind, kid. There's really no such thing as ghosts.
Ghosts are all over the place. They're all around us.
I think that your episodes are being brought on your lack of a father and your traumatic experience from seeing more.
I think you're full of shit.
No, I'm not. Prove it. You have no proof that ghosts
You
exist.
don't realize I have on the same shirt
Thank you for taking the time out to watch my video. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Also, share this video. It really means a lot to me. If you guys want to see another movie redone Jamaican style, please leave a comment below and I'll try my best to make it done. Mad White Jamaican out!